You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names from Canadian politics and also geography, he's been the Prime Minister designate of Canada and the leader of the Liberal Party. If you want to learn the name of his predecessor, stay tuned as well. Mark Carney. In French, it'd be said Mark Carney or Carney, but in English, Mark Carney. Canadian economist and politician Mark Carney. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.